Have you ever felt stuck on your weight loss journey? Spending weeks dieting and exercising only to see minimal results? What if I told you there are 5 simple tweaks you can make to your diet that will completely revolutionize your fat loss game? These changes are so effective. They're like flipping a switch on your metabolism. And guess what? The 5th one will not only surprise you, but also change the way you think about food forever. Stay tuned, because this might just be the breakthrough you've been waiting for. Change number 1. Ditch processed foods and go. Natural processed foods are the ultimate roadblock to your fat loss goals. These foods are typically high in added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives, all of which can disrupt your metabolism, spike blood sugar levels, and cause cravings. Instead, opt for whole, natural foods. Replace sugary cereals or refined bread with options like oats, quinoa, or whole grain bread. Why? Whole foods are packed with essential nutrients, fiber, and healthy fats, and they digest more slowly, keeping you fuller for longer. Here's the science. A recent study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that individuals who eliminated processed foods from their diets reduced overall calorie intake by 25%. This means you can eat satisfying meals while naturally consuming fewer calories. Quick tip for transitioning. Begin by substituting 1 processed item in your diet per week. Replace your sugary soda with sparkling water, trade your bag of chips for raw nuts, or switch from instant noodles to a hearty vegetable soup. Over time, these small swaps will compound, leading to sustainable fat loss. Change number 2. Master the art of calorie timing. Did you know that when you eat can be just as important as what you eat? Instead of saving most of your calories for dinner, consider shifting them to earlier in the day. A groundbreaking 12-week study revealed that individuals who consumed larger breakfasts lost significantly more fat compared to those who ate heavier dinners. Why? Eating early powers your day, stabilizes energy levels, and curbs nighttime cravings. How to apply calorie timing. Morning power-up. Start your day with a high-protein breakfast, such as scrambled eggs, spinach, and avocado. This fuels your metabolism and curbs hunger throughout the day. Midday refuel. Have a nutrient-dense lunch packed with lean protein, whole grains, and vibrant vegetables. Light dinner. Option for a lighter meal in the evening, such as baked fish with a side of steamed veggies. Real-life success story. Maria, a 45-year-old mother of 2, struggled with nighttime snacking. By shifting her calories to breakfast and lunch, she not only lost 10 pounds in 2 months, but also felt more energized throughout the day. Change number 3. Embrace foods that keep you satisfied. Say goodbye to constant snacking by incorporating high-satiety foods into your meals. High-satiety foods are nutrient-dense options that keep you feeling fuller for longer. Examples include boiled potatoes, lentils, salmon, and eggs. Did you know that boiled potatoes are 60% more filling than brown rice with the same calorie count? Additionally, lentils provide a powerhouse of fiber and protein, helping you avoid overeating at your next meal. Practical tips for high-satiety meals. Breakfast. Try a sweet potato hash with eggs for a nutrient-packed start. Lunch. A lentil and quinoa salad, topped with grilled chicken, provides sustained energy. Dinner. Option for baked salmon with a side of mashed cauliflower and roasted asparagus. Why it works. Foods high in fiber and protein, slow digestion, stabilizing blood sugar levels and reducing cravings. When you feel satisfied after meals, you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks, making your weight loss journey effortless. Change number 4. Make protein your best friend. Protein isn't just for bodybuilders. It's a fat loss powerhouse. High-protein meals increase your metabolic rate due to their thermic effect, which means your body burns more calories during digestion. The science of protein. Eating a protein-packed breakfast reduces hunger by 30% and curbs late-night cravings. Protein helps preserve lean muscle, which is critical for maintaining a high metabolic rate as you lose fat. Top protein sources for fat loss. Eggs, a perfect start to your day, packed with essential amino acids. Greek yogurt, high in probiotics and protein, ideal for snacks. Lean meats, chicken breast, turkey, and fish, provide high-quality protein without excess fat. Plant-based options. Lentils, chickpeas, and tofu are excellent vegetarian sources. Quick protein. Hack. Incorporate protein into every meal and snack. For instance, add a scoop of protein powder to your morning smoothie, or include a handful of nuts with your afternoon snack. Change number 5. Hydrate strategically with green tea and water. Hydration is often overlooked, but it's a cornerstone of fat loss. Drinking green tea boosts metabolism and aids in fat oxidation, while proper water intake, about 2 to 3 liters a day, helps regulate appetite and supports digestion. Why green tea is a game changer. Green tea contains catechins, natural antioxidants that enhance fat burning. Studies show that drinking green tea daily can help reduce abdominal fat. Hydration tips. Morning. Boost. Start your day with a glass of warm water and lemon to kickstart your metabolism. Mid-morning energy. Enjoy a cup of green tea to sustain energy and support fat loss. Pre-meal strategy. Drinking a glass of water 30 minutes before meals can help you eat less. Bonus hydration hack. Add slices of cucumber, mint, or berries to your water for a refreshing twist. These natural flavors not only enhance taste, but also provide additional vitamins and antioxidants. If you're enjoying this so far, don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more great content. For individuals over 40, weight loss can be slightly more challenging due to natural metabolic slowing, hormonal changes, and the importance of maintaining muscle mass. A well-balanced, nutrient-dense diet with an emphasis on protein, fiber, healthy fats, and anti-inflammatory foods can optimize fat loss while supporting overall health. Here's a revised plan with these principles in mind. Optimized meal plan. 2,100 calories. Breakfast, 650 calories. Protein scramble bowl, 2 whole eggs, plus 3 egg whites, protein for muscle maintenance. 1 cup sautéed spinach, tomatoes, and mushrooms, antioxidants and fiber. 1 slice whole grain toast. Add 1/2 avocado, healthy fats for satiety. Drink. A cup of black coffee or green tea, metabolism boost and rich in antioxidants. Mid-morning snack, 150 calories. 1 small handful of almonds, 15 g, or walnuts, omega-3 fats for joint health. 1 small apple, fiber and natural sweetness. Lunch, 500 calories. Protein-packed salad, 180 p grilled chicken breast or turkey breast. 2 cups mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, shredded carrots. 1 tablespoon olive oil plus balsamic vinegar dressing. Side, 1/2 cup cooked quinoa or a small sweet potato, complex carbs for sustained energy. Afternoon snack, 150 calories. 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, unsweetened, 0% fat, for probiotics and protein. 1/4 cup mixed berries, antioxidants. Dinner, 500 calories. Main, baked salmon, 120 g, with fresh lemon and dill, rich in omega-3s. Side, 1 cup steamed broccoli and roasted carrots, vitamins and fiber. Carb. Option, 1/2 cup wild rice or barley, low glycemic carbs for steady energy. Dessert, 150 calories. Anti-inflammatory. Treat, 1 small piece of dark chocolate, 20 g, at least 70% cocoa. Herbal tea, decaf, such as chamomile or peppermint. Weight loss isn't just about cutting calories. It's about working smarter, not harder. By embracing these 5 changes, ditching processed foods, mastering calorie timing, focusing on filling options, prioritizing protein, and hydrating strategically, you'll unlock faster, sustainable fat loss like never before. Start today, and remember, consistency is key. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell for more game-changing tips. Together, let's crush your goals. Thank you for your watching. See you in the next video.